on the northern route. I hope I'm not just doing laps of the lakes. I've got lost in Craigavon Lakes. 10k under an hour. Happy enough for that as well. Whew. I'm about a mile away from home. Morning, welcome back to the channel. Jeff Greenaway Outdoors. As you can see, I'm not in the mountains, we're not hiking, we're not camping. Today, I did say a few weeks back, I'll do something different. Today, I'm going on what I would class as a long run. I haven't planned out exactly how many miles I'm doing yet, but as you see there, it's just went after 5:30 in the morning, Saturday morning. Get a bit of breakfast here and then we'll hit the road. So I'll take you along with me, just show you about the place and see how many miles I can get punched in on a Saturday. So without further ado, I'll get the trainers on, get my breakfast and then we'll be out the door. Just over a mile in, not a hectic pace as you see. I'll get this out of the way early. I'm not out to break any records, definitely not today. Just entered Craigavon Lakes, aka South Lakes for the younger generation. I reckon that's just over a quarter of it done. Pretty mentally quick. Time wise, not quick, but I say probably a quarter done, so anything over 8 mile I would pencil in as a long run for myself. So that's actually near 2.5 miles, so well over a quarter done hopefully. So if you don't want to over that bridge, you just went around one lake. Today I'm going to do the 2 lakes on a good old fashioned bank holiday Saturday weekend. It's raining, sun's been shining the past couple of days too, just typical. Just over halfway. I'm at the point of no return now. If I go back, I have to do 4 mile. If I continue on, I've 4 mile to go. Delighted the way things are going at the moment. Controlling the breathing, might not sound it, but yeah, I'm good pace. Nice morning so far as well. People wise, got a midge in my mouth, thank you. Very few out in the trails today, around the lakes. I'll see you at the 10k point. Got lost in Craigavon Lakes, but I'm adding an extra mile or so on here, I think. It's just ticked over 6 mile, 10k. I normally punch in the 3 mile 5k's, 6 mile 10k's easy enough. This is the red zone now, here we go. genuinely worried now. Actually, I'm lost in the lakes. Went past that sign about 3 or 4 times. Turn off. It's bound to be up here somewhere. Whew. Found it. Oh. The legs are starting to squeal. The voice in the head is going, what are we doing it for? Stop, just stop. But that wee diversion in the legs has added a mile on, so just over 7 mile. Still feeling relatively good in the chest and lung and breathing department. Legs and mentally not so much. Whew. I'm about a mile away from home. Just over 8 mile. I've still 2 gels, a pocket full of jelly babies, and a quarter bottle of water. We'll go for the 10, let's go. Back in the house, 10 mile done in the bank. Saturday morning, happy days. Really pleased with the times. 10-minute miles, it's not too bad for myself. If anybody's watching it, any runners out there, all tips welcome. I'm about to search for half marathons now. Hopefully get myself signed up for one before the end of the summer. I'll continue on with the training stuff. Thanks for coming along, watching. And as I always say, we'll hopefully be out next week again. Hiking, camping, running, who knows, but I'll see you all then.